Hey y'all, I'm down here at the creek again, showing you guys a little bit different angle. Trying to make this video a little bit different. So I just posted one yesterday, and I want to apologize to William. I was just trying to show my appreciation, but I messed that all up, and then my phone just quit. So I'm sorry. I was just trying to give you a shout out, show my appreciation. But anyways, join me for a little fishing at the creek and see what I catch. Or am I gonna catch anything? But I'll give you a hint. Most likely, if I post this, there's fish. A good old watering hole right here. Walk down there a little ways in that one video if you want to check it out. Right now, I'm going to try to show you different angles, and I'm going to try to catch a fish from up here first. And the first fish of the day, good old famous leaf bass. Pretty rare. Yeah, right, they're everywhere. I show off the fish, I might as well show off the leaf a little bit, right? And some of those birds that are flying by making some weird noises. I think they're cranes. Pretty sure they are. Man, just miss you. I put a new hook on. Hopefully this will be the hook. Well, there's a new fish for you guys. I don't think I caught on YouTube yet. Well, the new hook worked and caught this little guy. Sorry I messed up on my speech. It's pretty much not if I'm going to mess up. It's when I'm going to mess up. But hey, this is real life. I'm going to post it anyways. Hi guys. I'm a fishy. What kind of fish am I? Leave a comment. I wish I could do a voice. He is definitely talking. Hit that like and subscribe. Bye-bye, guys. All kinds of frogs living in that pond. I call it a pond, it's really a puddle, but it's the only water that's left over here. And frogs are calling it home. Second fish for you guys. What should we name this one? Gotta give this one a name. There you go. How you guys doing? Cars driving by. It's kind of rare on this road. Probably someone that lives on it. But fish are gonna go home. Leave a comment what we should name it. Leave a comment if you know what kind of fish it is. Yeah, this creek's definitely just keeps dropping. We got some more rain in the forecast. Hopefully, I'll help with that though. It's definitely shallow right now. Good old leaf bass again on a different lure. I figured I'd try one of my bass lures through here. Never know until you try. But even a little small bluegill is going after my lure, so trying to make a switchback. You're gonna love this country life. Fish might be small down here, might not be biting too good today, but it's still very nice. Hope you all enjoying it a little bit. I don't know what's over there, but there's something making noise. Oh, is that beaver? A big fish? Or some kind of backwoods Missouri monster? I'm new to these parts, so who knows? The boogeyman could get me. Keep watching to find out. Dun dun dun. Could be just water bubbling up somehow. I'm not sure. I hope you guys heard that noise that time. I don't know what's over there. And another leaf bass. This is a pretty nice one. I'm just tearing them up today. Oh, getting ready to call it a day. Casing in. Thank you for watching. God bless. Sorry this one's kind of boring, but some nice scenery down here. And if you're not a country liver, you're gonna see get a little experience of it. And like I said, I'm gonna mess up with my YouTubes. This is not movies. This is real life. Ain't no retake. You go and do this. It don't happen that way. There goes a bird that wants to be famous. Definitely love this country life though. Well, I'm going to end it now, and I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. There's a creek down here. I almost forgot the name, Tavern Creek. Water's getting a little shallow. Fish are getting a little smaller. My theory is there's a couple turtles in here. I've seen them, and that beaver was in here. They probably ate most of the big fish. There's one or two big fish in there still, but most of those little ones. Like I said, I still enjoy God's country. I hope you enjoyed this video too, and I hope I didn't mess up too much. Well, God bless. Take care. Y'all come back now, you hear?